Motion Control Quick Start 14 again. Welcome back. Today, the third part, Motion State Parameters. It can be seen there are 7 commands together, and they can be watched real-time in the Axis Parameters window. M-type, type of the current motion, and this form shows all types. We could judge it from the command return value. If the value is 1, it can be known the current motion is move. Please note in interpolation motion, value only represents main axis motion type. N-type, type of the next motion, that is, the first motion in buffer. Except the object is different. Others are the same. Idle means current motion state. Also judged from the return value. 0 means in motion. -1 means N. Usually, write it as this. When in robotic arms, in reverse kinematics, joint axis always returns 0. In forward mode, virtual axis returns 0 all the time. In the example, when axis 0, 1 to all end, then execute the op command. M speed, axis measurement speed. In interpolation, M speed is the speed of each axis. VPS speed, current motion speed, but it is composed speed of multi-axis by default, so there is no negative value. If we need to know each axis speed, set system Z set command bit 0 as 0. What's more, in interpolation, it is the speed of interpolation motion. Here, move 1 to axis linear interpolation. Axis 0 is the main axis. VPS speed 0 shows interpolation speed 100. M speed shows each axis speed 70. Axis state parameter used to check all kinds of states of axis. It shows in decimal, and the value print also is decimal part. But judging the state in binary systems, in axis parameter window, it shows an octal system. For example, check axis 1 state. 576 means 64 and 512. Axis 1 is finding the origin and exceeds the soft forward limit. So the axis parameters window will show 240H. Then this means axis stops reasoning. That is, we could check the stop reason through this. Actually, it latches the axis state bit 1 bit automatically. Write 0 to clear all. Okay, third part is easy. That's all. The next part is single axis motion command and operation. Have a nice day. See you next video.